Hello viewers, welcome to net.agilemall.com. Net.agilemall.com is a network of local businesses by city where small businesses and retailers can sell their products online locally round the clock. For this platform, we offer no-fee franchise across the world. Franchisees can have teams of sales agents who can connect with local businesses and help them registering on net.agilemall.com and upload their content. In this video, we will discuss what sales agent can do. The sales agent will connect with local businesses like clothing stores, shoe stores, grocery stores, electronics stores, and register those businesses on this platform. As a sales agent, you can log into your profile by clicking Join Network at the home page. Now go down and fill in your username and password. Once you are logged in, you'll land on Sales Agent Dashboard. On this page, you'll see two tabs, Work Area and Profile. Under Profile, you will find your username, name, email, role, and number of web activations. And under Work Area, you will see View Activation Code here. When you click on it, you will find the list of all businesses under your account. Along with the activation codes, you need to provide this activation code to the business to activate the website. For creating a free website for business, a business should go to the Join Network tab at the top and he has to fill his login details. Once logged in, he has to click on this drop-down menu and select About Business. On this page, he can create website for his business by filling up this simple form. A web name is required. The full web URL will look something like this. Now his business name is required. Make sure to fill all the required fields having this asterisk symbol. Select the currency. We are going for INR here. Then the business has to write something about his business. He can also add some information under Values and Vision and under About Leadership. Now, the next step is to add a business logo. It can be done by simply clicking Choose File here. It will take him to his drive from where he can select the logo of his business. Similarly, he can choose photos by clicking here. Now business should enter the sales agent code given by the sales agent. Remember, here the sales agent code means the username of a sales agent. So the username of the applicable sales agent should be filled here. Business can select this checkbox to allow this sales agent to access his website for the next 7 days. Once done with this form, then business should save it by clicking here. This is how a business will be connected to franchisee and sales agent. If the business has given you the access to update their website, click on the web name of the business. You will land on this page, from where you can upload content for the website of this business. You can drop this menu from here and can do a number of things with the business's website. Like you can change template and color, add things to the home page, add products, services, menu items, catering packages, location, footer information, and contact us info. Let's see how you can add a product to this business's website. So go to products. Now here you can add product name. Let's take Coca-Cola in this case. Add a product code. Then product category. Coca-Cola falls under grocery. Then beverage and juices. Then add its regular price. Let's say 20 rupees. Now add sale price. Let's give a discount of 2 rupees. So the price comes down to 18 rupees. Add a percentage tax rate. Let's take 10%. Now add product description. You can add more in these description boxes. You can add photos by clicking here. You can upload multiple photos. Now the final step is to add everything by clicking here. So that's it. You have just added a product on the website. Here you can view all the products added for this website. To take a look on how website is progressing, you can go to the web name and click here. This hyperlink will take you to the business's website. From here, you can view all the products added for this website. You can straight away select the web template and color directly from web name page. Select the web template, change the color and apply it. So this way you can do so many things on business's website. That's all in this video. We'll see you next time with more information about sales agent. Stay tuned to to our platform net.agilemall.com.